Dano, aira kabatta band kalo sound asche.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
All have not yet joined. Let us not waste time. Let's start with theorem 8.10. Then I will take the attendance and I will talk to you about your doubts if you have any. Okay?
Good morning.
Or anything to speak from your side?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, children. I'll take the attendance later on. All have not yet joined. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You all are ready with the book? Just go through 8.10, theorem 8.10, which is the converse theorem of 8.9. That is your midpoint theorem. Okay? What the statement says? The line drawn through the midpoint of, let me write down the theorem.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not audible.
Yes, what happened?
You were not audible clearly.
I'm not audible to you.
Ma'am, your voice is not clearly audible to me.
What can I do better for that? If not visible, I can arrange, but audible due to this network problem, which I cannot help you. Am I clear now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Bisects the third side. This is exactly the converse of theorem 8.9. Now the proof will be almost same. We have to develop a parallelogram, again the congruency of two triangles, same procedure only with a little twist in that because the given data are different. Okay. So before we note down the data in the given statement, we have to draw the figure, name it. Scalene triangle you have to draw as I told you. name it A, B, C. What it is given, the line drawn through the midpoint of one side. So I have to take midpoint of one side, let it be D. That means this is equal to this. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means it has given to you midpoint of one side of triangle. So if I take triangle ABC, midpoint of AB, let it be B. Through this midpoint of this side, if I draw what? Parallel to another side. So this is another side through this point. I cannot draw a parallel line to this. I can draw, yes, I can draw to this line, to any one side you have to draw. Followed me? So let me draw a parallel line. Now it intersects it at E. If these two are equal, this is parallel to this. I have to prove, I'm just giving a cross mark here in the two sides. E is the midpoint of AC. That is what we have to prove. Understood? If
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
the same way, before we go to proof, we will first see what we will be pushing, and then we will write the given data, then any construction if required, then we'll start the proof. I think not yet all joined, 43 only. That is why I did not take attendance at the beginning today. Let me take at the middle. Okay. Now what will we do? First of all, I will like to develop, I will try to find out some way how can I prove with this much data. What is given to me? AD equals to BD and DE parallel to BC. Only with this much data can we prove that AE equals to CE. Not possible. So what will we do? We will do some construction. What construction? And why will we do that construction? Again, to develop the two triangles which will be helping us to prove as congruent, as well as at the same time we have to see that a parallelogram being developed, because already this side parallel to this side given to us. If you give me a parallel line to AB through C, and this will be extended, what will happen? It will be F. BCFE will be a parallelogram. Why? Because B is parallel to BC given, DF will also be parallel to. Agree? And by construction we did this is parallel to this. So this became a parallelogram. Both pair of opposite sides if parallel to each other, then it's a parallelogram. In any quadrilateral, if you find both pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it's a parallelogram. Even if it is parallelogram proved, are we going to prove AE equal to CE? No. Then what will we see? We will see the created two triangles EAE, ECF. The sequence you have to see. EAD, ECF. What do we get in these two triangles? We get this angle, vertically opposite angle to be equal, and because this is a parallel line, and by construction we did this one parallel. If this is transversal, then this angle will be equal to this angle. Now to prove two triangles to be congruent, as we have already discussed, any of the four criteria, SSS, ASA, SAS, AAS, out of these four, any one is satisfied. So we have to check what are the data provided to us in this, so that we can consider that. Just see, we got one side This is the parallelogram. With parallelogram, this equal to this. Already this given this equal to this. So we got this side is equal to this side. And then we got AAS. AAS. Is that clear? So we can, or any other thing coming to your mind, tell me. If any doubt here, so that I will move to. Am I audible, children? Why today only 43? Out of 56, only 43, 13 are absent. I couldn't hear anybody. Am I clear to you? Am I audible?
Ma'am, through AS it can also be.
Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by ASA it can also be proved.
How ASA? Which side?
Ma'am, one side.
Within the included angles.
Ma'am, sorry. Yeah, ma'am, ASA.
It
Ma'am,
is only
one side.
AAS. Nothing.
Ma'am, one angle A and angle C are equal, and AD and
Already darken the angles. This angle is equal to this angle, and these two are vertically opposite.
ma'am, we can also take.
AAS. Only
Ma'am, we can also.
Ma'am, it can also be ASA.
is satisfied here in this condition.
Ma'am, it can also be angle D is equals to angle F through as angle as side AB.
Ma'am, there are alternate interior angles.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
couldn't hear you. What happened?
Ma'am, angle D is equals to angle F. It can also be.
No other criteria fitting here, Sharan.
Ma'am, because B
Here
is
only
parallel
AAS.
to CF.
Because you see, only it is given to us D is the midpoint of AB, means AD equal to BD. Nothing is given to us. Then by construction, we did a parallel line through C to AB. So this is proved to be parallelogram. In parallelogram, how? By construction, this pair of opposite sides are parallel, and because given DE parallel to BC, DF also parallel to BC.
BC. Ma'am, it can also be that.
One side equal.
Ma'am,
With that, we are getting only one criteria fulfilling here.
yeah, no, ma'am, it can be two because, ma'am, BD is parallel to CF and DF is a transversal. CF, as it is a parallelogram.
BD parallel to CF, right? Then
Ma'am, DF is a transversal.
DF to be transversal. That's all.
Ma'am, then angle
No,
D is
that's
equal to
why we
angle
are
F.
not getting any benefit here. Transversal, you are getting either corresponding angles or integral alternate angles. As I have used here, if I number it to be 1 and 2, these two angles because of integral alternate angles, no other two sides are matching here. You have to match those two sides which are within the two angles which are equal. Could you follow me? And that is what we are going to prove here.
Ma'am, but
Angles
AD is
equal here,
parallel.
no where it is given to you.
Then doesn't that mean that AD is equals to DFC?
Is to be proven. Followed me?
Yes, ma'am.
So no other criteria is fitting here. Now, what to prove? I'm writing in short, I hope you will understand it. E is midpoint of AC. This is what I have to prove. Agree? Now, what is given? That I should have written first. Okay, no problem. I'm writing here. Given, what are the given data? AD is equal to BD and AD equal to BD, DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. This much given to us, this two. With this much data, I have to prove this. Now for that, I need to do some construction. What is that construction? Just see. Same construction what we did the previous theorem. Draw parallel through C to AB. This is what only we have to do the construction. Then we will start the proof. Before I start the proof, let me take the attendance. I think all have joined now. In the meantime, you keep thinking. If you feel any difficulty after I take the attendance, you can ask me. Anindya Panda, Aparna Purohit,
Present, ma'am.
Harapriya,
Anindya Panda present.
Lagnajita,
Present, ma'am.
Manisha,
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyasha,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Rima Panna, Saloni Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Shraddhanjali Vishwal, Sneha Nayak, Shubhra Shweta,
Present, ma'am.
Surabhi Patra,
Absent.
Sushri Sharmista, Tamanna Behra, Vijeta Swain,
Present, ma'am.
Avas Behra. I think some people they just joined and they have left the place. That is why I'm not getting any answer. Intentionally, I'm taking the attendance at the middle today. Whose regular practice is this? After joining the class, you are leaving the place. No answer if I ask you anything. This is the discipline you are developing. Abhash Behra.
Present, ma'am.
Tiwari,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Om Pradhan. Anshul Mante. Anshuman Pradhan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Ashutosh Aryaman. Ashutosh Dupal.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Atman Chintak. Ayush Case.
Present, ma'am.
Bhupesh Shamal.
Present, ma'am.
Vishwaranjan Ekka. Hare Krishna Barik. Harshit Singh Dev.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Hare Krishna present.
Who?
Hare Krishna.
Who is present?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Where you were when I was calling you? It is not at the beginning. This is your regular practice. You on it, you join, and then
Ma'am, your voice was cracking.
you are not ready
No,
up to
ma'am.
9 o'clock.
Ma'am, your voice was cracking. Ma'am,
Jagdev, yes, I marked you. Jaydev. Jaydev.
Present, ma'am.
Mukesh. Mukesh, are you there? Nirmal,
Present, ma'am.
Piyush Parida,
Present, ma'am.
Pratyush Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
When I'm calling your name, you know whose name will be coming next. Why don't you on your video? I'd like to see your face. Roshan Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Satyam Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Shamit Behra, Shuplas Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Vinay, Priyadarshini, Shambhavi, Section
Present,
A. Shambhavi, are you there?
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Suruchi,
Present, ma'am.
Jigyasha, Haripriya,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav,
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek,
Present,
Apurva,
Present, ma'am.
Anshuman,
Present, ma'am.
Romaranjan,
Present, ma'am.
Ronak Jajaria, Rupam Bhaiya,
Present, ma'am.
Arjit Singh,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Varun,
Present, ma'am.
Jaidev,
Present, ma'am.
today only 44 have joined out of 56. Okay. Whatever points I have told you, basing on what we are going to prove, is that clear to you all? Now we will start the proof. We will first take quadrilateral BCFD. BCFD. What do we get in this? I want answers from you. You own your class, you join, and then you move out from the place. That is why I didn't get, only the number is senior, but I don't get any interaction from you. I'm not narrating a story, you will listen, whether you are listening, not listening, that is the material. It's not like that. In quadrilateral BCFD, what do we get?
Parallel to AC and DF is parallel to B.
DE parallel to DBC, and same thing DF I can write because it is the extended line parallel to BC. Why? Each time, as I told you, this is given to you. And next what we get? BD parallel to CF. Why? By construction. What these two implies us opposite pair of sides, opposite pair parallel, opposite pair parallel, hence parallelogram. Any doubt in this? This is first part of the proof. If you are clear in this part, then I will move to the other part. So for now, we have not reached to prove AE equals to CE, or E is the midpoint of AC. Is this much clear? Then I will move to the next part. Proving BCFD to be a parallelogram, clear in your mind or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in triangle EAD, EAD and triangle ECF, ECF. What do we get? AD equals to CF. Why? Who will give me this reason? AD is equal to CF. What is the reason? Who will answer me? Ramaranjan, are you? Sneha?
Ma'am, AD is equals to D and FC is equals to DB because BDFC is a parallelogram. Thus, A is equals to FC.
Comma. We need two more criteria where already we have discussed the two angles are equal. Now, angle 1 is equal to angle to y. Interior alternate angles. Yes. And angle DOA. Sorry, DEA is equal to angle FEC. FEC. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Yes or no? So what we got implies that triangle EAD congruent to triangle ECF. Why? AS criteria. Understood? Therefore, what we get?
Yes.
Now, opposite. So, what we got? DE equals to DE equals to FE. And AE equals to CE. Why? By simplicity and side opposite to equal angles. Side opposite to equal angles. Am I clear enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Hence proved. I don't understand what happened today. Children are not at all interactive and not concentrating. After 4 days of gap, you all are disturbed, it seems, or you enjoyed it lot so that you are not ready to study anymore. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
coming to those questions which I have given. Now the theorem is over for this chapter, quadrilateral, but the exercise questions you are not going to do today. Tomorrow we'll discuss and then I'll allow you to do. Okay? I want the information about the doubt questions, what you had. Or I'll give you some more questions. Tell me fast. If you do not have any doubt, I'll give you some more questions. One more thing, Charan, I want to know from you, number system and your polynomials. These two chapters, I could not give you number of extra questions. How many questions you have actually practiced, you tell me. Have you practiced a lot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Will I give you at least 2 questions now so that I will know whether you are able to answer me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, write down. Find the value of B
Find the value of A.
Ma'am, your audio is not clear.
I'm not audible to you.
I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Find the value of B if 49x square
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
find the value of B
Ma'am, B or V?
B for Bombay.
Find the value of B.
If
If if
49x square
if
49x square
Ma'am?
49. Ma'am,
I'm not clearly audible to you, Chalan.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Audible.
Audible.
No, ma'am, not.
yes, ma'am, not
Don't
audible.
worry. Whatever you can, you write down. If you cannot, I will be writing and sending it to you. But right now, I want you should interact with me. Yes, 49x square minus B equals to 7x plus half. Now I feel any question from any chapter I'll ask up to chapter 8, whatever we have completed,
Ma'am? Ma'am?
will able to answer me.
Ma'am, 7x plus?
Half 1 by 2. Put inside the bracket.
And the
It
value
is
of B
just
is 49 square.
one more question.
7x plus
Immediately you can answer me. Start other bracket 7x minus half.
7x minus half.
So simple. A square, A
7x
plus B
minus.
is A minus B.
Yes, ma'am. Find the value
Answer
of
me.
B.
What is
Ma'am, can you repeat from 49?
Ma'am, value of B is
49x
1.
square minus B equals to 7x plus half into 7x minus half.
Ma'am, value of B is 1 by 4.
Find B.
You have to find the value of B.
Ma'am, B 1 by 4.
7.
Yes, ma'am. 1 by 4.
Do you all agree to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. One more small question, Chalan. Will I ask you?
Equal to 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
happened? Somebody is having
1x minus.
What happened? Will I ask you something? Haripriya, you joined late today and marked you absent.
No, ma'am. I was there from the beginning.
You were there from the beginning. How did you answer then?
Ma'am, I have told present. Ma'am, maybe
I did
some.
not hear any. I'm asking you present. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Harapriya is absent. Haripriya is present. In section C, Harapriya is remaining absent.
Okay, ma'am. No problem.
Not an issue. Now, answer the other question. Find the value of polynomial. Note down. Find the value of polynomial fx equals to
Find the value of polynomial.
x. You know how to write x within the bracket small x
Yes, ma'am.
equals to
Yes, ma'am.
4x
Polynomial. Ma'am,
minus
please
4x square minus 5x
Ma'am, please.
4x square minus 5x plus 9
5x
when x equal to half.
where
Ma'am, can you repeat the entire polynomial?
4x square minus 5x plus 9 when x equal to half.
find the value of polynomial. Find the polynomial. 4x minus 5x plus 9 when x is to half. Find the polynomial. Find the value of polynomial equal to 4x minus and the value of polynomial 4x square minus 5x equal to find the value of polynomial 4x square minus
In
5x
a hurry,
plus
don't make
9
mistake.
x is
Put the
half by
values
2.
correctly.
Ma'am, please repeat the question first.
4x square minus 5x plus 9 when x equal to half.
Ma'am,
Then 15
7.5.
by
Yes,
Ma'am, 15 by
7.5,
2.
15 by 2.
then 15 by 2.
Yes,
Same.
ma'am.
7.5, 15 by 2 or 7.5. If somebody
Yes,
says 7.5, then also correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, anything from your side to ask me if you have any doubt. Tomorrow we will go to the last exercise of quadrilateral. Before that, what is your duty? Today you will go through the reference book of questions from quadrilaterals. Okay? And along with these two questions, some from polynomials and number system, any question from up to chapter 8, I will upload. I will try to give you 5 questions, at least some interesting ones. Try to do that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to wind up the class now, Chalan. Again, we'll be talking tomorrow. Bye-bye, Chalan. Also, friends, those who are regularly remaining absent, if you can contact them, if you have the contact number, tell them. Few children continuously they are remaining absent. What's the problem? Even they are not sharing through WhatsApp. What happened, Anubhav Malik? It is showing I am not there in the meeting. How is it possible? I am talking to the children. You may
No,
be
ma'am. Actually,
problem in your network. Jigyasa, you are present fine.
Find the value of b
Pratyasa Sahu, you joined late or what?
by 2 into 7x minus 1 by
No,
2.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm present from the starting.
Oh, yes, yes. You are not
X
present.
find the value of x equals to 4x square minus 5x. Now find the value of x. Find